Hi Satya.
Hey, hi Mohit.
What are you doing, Satya?
See, I'm searching for your office. You know, I do business videos. I have
Yes.
only 2 staff, and it was showing lakhs and lakhs for only rent. What about the other expenses?
Don't worry, Satya. You can just come to co-working spaces where at just starting at 5,000 rupees, you can get all varieties of your office needs, ranging from open seats, cabins, two-seater cabin, four-seater, 14-seater, and also virtual office.
And what are the other facilities you have?
Security, housekeeping, free Wi-Fi, and also cafeteria.
Even I want the agreement on my company name.
Yeah.
Will it be possible?
It is possible. I also operate on virtual office where you can use my office address and you can use it for all your legal purposes like GST and any other your office registration.
For affordable and reliable office space, you can contact Mohit Agrawal.
Yes.
Thank you. With media partner,
WINZ
WINZ.